Hello everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair tight in the form of half ponytail, then divide that ponytail into two equal halves along with the leftover hair. Roll those ponytail parts and then roll it upwards to the gap. Then take the leftover part, tie it in the form of a plait and secure it tightly with a bobby pin to the upper part of your hair along with your favorite back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take the lower parts of the hair and then secure it tightly with a rubber band. Twist it against one another, then roll it upwards just as shown in the video. Tie the lower part with a rubber band, roll it upwards in a circular motion and then secure it tightly with a four-legged back pin or a rubber band. You can also decorate it with your favorite back pin. Take your hair tight in the form of half ponytail. Then take the lower part of the hair, divide it into two parts. Tie both the parts with a rubber band. Then make a gap in between the upper parts and then secure lower parts again. Then roll the upper parts above and then tie it properly with a rubber band, securing the upper parts inwards and then secure it tightly with a rubber band or a back pin just as shown in the video. Take your hair tight in the form of ponytail. Give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of the hair from the above. Then take the hair from below and tie it with a rubber band again. Then twist it upwards in the form of a circle so that it looks like a juda and then secure it tightly with a five-legged rubber band or a back pin. Just like this. This process can be difficult but you should be consistent. Then you can decorate it as your wish with any colored rubber band. Take your hair tight in the form of lower ponytail just as shown in the video. Then do it half, take the lower part, divide it into two, roll it upwards and then secure it tightly with a rubber band. Then remove it and twist it through the gap and carefully pass the latter part through the upper part and then secure it properly with your favorite back pin. Take your hair tight in the form of ponytail. Then take your rubber band from within and then secure it properly with a back pin. Take the upper part, comb it properly and then tie it with a rubber band. Roll it downwards, secure it properly with a five-legged bobby pin. Take your hair tight in the form of lower ponytail. Take a juda pin, twist that ponytail into a juda and then you are done. Take your hair and use your finger to roll your hair upwards in the form of lateral and parallel juda, securing it properly with a back pin. Take your hair tight in the form of a ponytail. Slightly loosen it, make it through the gap of the above part, then tighten it. Take the lower part, tie it in the form of a ponytail again and then roll it upwards just as shown in the video. Loosen it again and then secure it tightly with a back pin. Thank you for watching.